polynomial equation using the lattice method. Creating polynomial equations. So we will solve for the polynomial equation given the real roots. For example, the given real roots are -6, -2, and 3. So if we will write this as a factor, the factors are x plus 6, x plus 2, and x minus 3. How will you find the polynomial equation? Simply multiply x plus 6 by x plus 2 and x minus 3. But this time, I will help you multiply using a shortcut. So we will use the lattice method. So yung lattice method, yun yung shorthand process ng multiplication. Just like division, ang shorthand process ng division, meron siyang synthetic division. Sa multiplication, meron tayong lattice method. So we eliminate the variable x and we get only each numerical coefficient. So pagka gumamit ka ng lattice method, dalawang factors lang ang pwede mong i-multiply. So i-multiply muna natin ang x plus 6 times x plus 2. Let us write the numerical coefficient of each term. Sa x plus 6, ang numerical coefficient ay 1 and 6. Sa x plus 2, ang numerical coefficient ay 1, 2. Then we multiply 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 6, 6. Then 2 times 1, we have 2. 2 times 6, 12. Then let us add diagonally. Unahin natin yung 1. So, yung 1, wala siyang kasama. So, isulat na lang natin sa ibaba yung 1. Then, we have 6 and 2. I-add natin. 6 plus 2, 8. Then, 12. So, isusulat na lang yung positive 12. Now, 12 here now is the constant term. 8 will be the numerical coefficient of x, and 1 will be the numerical coefficient of x squared. So, when you multiply x plus 6 by x plus 2, the polynomial equation is x squared plus 8x plus 12. So, yung x squared plus 8x plus 12, i-multiply naman natin dun sa naiwang factor, which is x minus 3. So, gagamit ulit tayo ng lattice method. We will write the numerical coefficient of each term. We have 1, 8, 12. Sa x minus 3, ang numerical coefficient niya ay 1 and negative 3. Then we multiply. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 12, 12. Then negative 3. Negative 3 times 1, negative 3. Negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. Negative 3 times 12, we have negative 36. Then let us add diagonally. Una yung 1. So, isulat ang 1. Then, let us combine 8 and negative 3. We have positive 5. Combine 12 and negative 24. We got negative 12. Then, we have negative 36. So, negative 36 is the constant term. Negative 12 is the numerical coefficient of x. 5 is the numerical coefficient of x squared, and 1 is the numerical coefficient of x cubed. Therefore, the polynomial equation is x cubed plus 5x squared minus 12x minus 36. Mas madaling mag-multiply using the lattice method kesa doon sa traditional multiplication natin na long method. Next example. Create the polynomial equations using the lattice method. The real roots are 2, 1, -3, and -4. Solution. Let us write the roots as a factor. So, yung 2, if we will write this as a factor, that is x minus 2. Sa 1, that is x minus 1. -3, if we write as a factor, it is x plus 3. And -4, we have x plus 4. So, biruin mo, imumultiply mo yung apat na factors niya yan. Masyadong madami, masyadong mahaba. So, pwede nating hatiin since there are 4 factors. Pwede muna nating i-multiply ang x minus 2 sa x minus 1 at ang x plus 3 sa x plus 4. So, if you notice, kung apat yung roots, expect mo na ang degree niyan, it is of the 4th degree. So, ibig sabihin, ang highest exponent ay 4. So, unahin natin yung x minus 2 times x minus 1. So, yung numerical coefficient ng x minus 2 ay 1 and -2. So, ang numerical coefficient sa x minus 1, we have 1 and -1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times -2, we have -2. Doon naman sa -1. -1 times 1, -1. -1 times -2, we have +2. Then, let us add diagonally. So, walang kakombine yung 1, so isulat yung 1. Combine -2 and -1, we have -3. Then, 2. Sulat na lang natin yung 2. So, 2 is the constant term. -3 is the numerical coefficient of x. And 1 is the numerical coefficient of x squared. So, if you multiply x minus 2 by x minus 1, the polynomial equation is x squared minus 3x plus 2. Then, dito naman tayo sa x plus 3 times x plus 4. Let us use the lattice method. The numerical coefficient of x plus 3, we have 1 and 3. The numerical coefficient of x plus 4, 1 and 4. Then you multiply. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 3, 3. Then 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 3, 12. Then add diagonally. 1, sulat nyo yung 1. Combine 4 and 3, we have +7. Then +12. +12 is the constant term. +7 is the numerical coefficient of x, and 1 is the numerical coefficient of x squared. So, the product of x plus 3 times x plus 4 is x squared plus 7x plus 12. So, yung result or yung product ng dalawang minultiply natin, yun naman ngayon yung imumultiply natin using the lattice method. So, x squared minus 3x plus 2 times x squared plus 7x plus 12. So, using the lattice method, let us write the coefficient of each term. 1, -3, +2. Then 1, 7, and 12. Multiply. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times -3, -3. 1 times 2, 2. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times -3, -21. 7 times 2, 14. Then we have 12. 12 times 1, 12. 12 times -3, -36. And 12 times 2, we have 24. Add diagonally, so 1. Ayan. Combine 7 and -3, we got +4. Then, combine 12 minus 21 plus 2, the answer is -7. Combine -36 and 14, we have -22 and +24. +24 is the constant term. -22 is the numerical coefficient of x. Negative 7 is the numerical coefficient of x squared. 4 is the numerical coefficient of x cubed. And 1 is the numerical coefficient of x to the fourth. Therefore, the polynomial equation is x to the fourth plus 4x cubed minus 7x squared minus 22x plus 24. Answer. So, ibig sabihin, marunong ka na ngayon mag-create ng polynomial equation using the lattice method. So, that's all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. This is Teacher Nati saying, let us thank God for all the blessings that He has given us.